Hey creators, and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subby, welcome back, and if you're new here, you're welcome. I hope you stay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you enjoy being here. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to crochet a single crochet stitch. And here I'm going to show you the items you're going to need for this tutorial. For this type of yarn, you can use a 3.75 up to 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. And I am going to be using the 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. And you're going to need a needle big enough to insert your yarn to weave in the ends. And scissors to cut off the excess yarn. At this point, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a slip knot. Using your right hand, you're going to grab the end of your yarn and hold it like so. And you're going to take your left hand, the middle finger and the index finger. You'll hold your yarn, make sure the strand is long enough for you to wrap around. You're going to create an X and wrap it around your finger. And you're going to take your ring finger to hold the end of the yarn. You're now going to take your crochet hook and you're going to pull the second strand to create the slip knot. And now you're going to pull the end of your yarn, and that is how you create a slip knot. Alrighty, now that we have our slip knot, we're going to create the base of our single crochet stitch, which is a chain, and this is how you do it. To hold the knot, you'll be using your middle finger and thumb, and to hold the yarn, you're going to use your index finger. And to create your first chain, you're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop to create the second loop. So the pattern is going to be yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I'll be using this technique to create a full set of 20 chains for this base. Alrighty, now that we are done with our 20 chains, we're going to move to our second row, which is the row of single crochets. To start this row, we're going to create one extra chain, and you're going to skip that extra chain and insert in the next loop. You're going to yarn over and pull through. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. you're going to repeat again. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And from here you're going to repeat the same process until the end of your chain. Now that we have reached the end of our first row, you're going to chain 1. Let's yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and the chain is to ensure that whatever project you'll be making comes out straight. And you're going to turn your work for the second row like I did, and we will be skipping the first chain and insert on the second one. Oh, and one thing about crochet, you will be doing the same thing over and over again. It needs someone who is patient. Oh, and from here on, I'm just repeating the same thing over and over again. You can use this technique to make scarves. If you do wish to continue with this, you can make it longer and make your scarf. It will turn out to be a great scarf, I think. At this point you can see what you're doing. You can see the single crochet stitch. You can tell the pattern is very nice and crispy. The rows are defined. If you wish to continue, you can do so, but this is where I end. So now I'm going to show you how I end my work. I'm going to cut the yarn and weave in the ends like so. If you watch the video up to this point, I'm so proud of you. You are willing to learn and you're going to learn. And if you haven't subscribed, why are you not subscribing? Why? Please subscribe, I beg. And please share this video to everyone that you know on your Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, everywhere. Please share, comment and like. Even if you have nothing to say, please comment. Even if you use an emoji, send a heart emoji. Truly appreciate that. We have reached the end of the video and I hope you guys learned something and will be making yourself something nice. And if you did enjoy, please don't forget to like, leave a comment for me, subscribe and share this video so others can learn. And see you guys on my next one. Bye.